Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk through how to delete your reaction from a message on Messenger quickly and easily. If you've ever reacted to the wrong message, or maybe just had second thoughts about that heart or laughing emoji, don't worry, fixing it only takes a few seconds. Let's get on started. First, open the Messenger app on your phone. You'll see all your recent conversations right on the home screen. Go ahead and tap on the chat that contains the message you want to change. This can be any conversation, whether it's with a friend, a family member, or a group chat. It works the same way everywhere. Once you're inside the chat, locate the exact message you reacted to earlier. It could be something you accidentally liked, or maybe you sent the wrong emoji reaction in a hurry. Here comes the simple part. Press and hold that message. When you do, a row of emojis will pop up. These are the same reaction options you saw before, like thumbs up, heart, laugh, surprise, sad, or angry. Now, to delete your reaction, just tap the same emoji that you originally used. For example, if you reacted with a heart before, simply tap the heart again. By doing this, Messenger automatically removes the reaction from the message. You won't see your emoji there anymore, and the other person won't see it either. It's gone instantly. This trick works the same on both iPhone and Android devices, so no matter what you're using, you can easily undo a reaction whenever you need to. It's especially handy when you hit the wrong emoji by mistake or when you realize your reaction might have been misinterpreted. And that's it, you've successfully deleted your reaction from a message in Messenger. It's a super quick process that saves you from those awkward emoji moments we all experience. If this guide helped you out, consider giving it a like and sharing it with someone who might find it useful. Thanks for watching.